It's the Texas weather discussion video for Wednesday, the 13th day of September. North Texas should continue to trend hotter and drier as an upper ridge starts to build into our area, and and also we should also see an uptick in temperatures. We should be in the mid 90s for the rest of this week. But first, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view across the CONUS region this morning. You can see the trough of low pressure basically is coming from the remnants of Irma here. The remnant circulation of Irma is we're seeing the effects of that, where the clouds are actually wrapping around on the west side of it, and you can see the effects in North Texas, but temperatures is not as hot right now. Arlington 61, DFW 62. And generally, some of the naturally cooler pockets are, of course, in the 50s, but we're expected to warm to the low 90s. That's a change. That's actually a change from from recent days. Taking a look across the watch warning map, we have air quality alerts for some of the metro areas like DFW, OKC, and the Austin metro, and the Austin metro area. We have ozone action days. Other than that, things are pretty quiet across the continental United States. No organized severe weather is expected anywhere in the CONUS region today. Take a look at the rainfall average for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week, and about quarter of an inch of rain, if any, for parts of North Texas. And again, that's a big if we see any rain for parts of North Texas throughout this week. Tropics are actually less active. Irma is just basically completely gone. We don't have to worry about it. Goodbye and good riddance to that storm. The only thing we have to worry about right now is Hurricane Jose. That's actually a minimal hurricane that's actually drifting to the south, doing that loop-de-loop thing that I was talking about. Maximum sustained winds are at 75. This is expected to make a full loop across the Atlantic, and then expected to weaken to a tropical storm by Saturday, before becoming post-tropical cyclone by the middle of next week. You can see that this is not expected to affect any parts of the United States. You go to model guidance. Models agree on the same thing. This is not expected to affect any parts of the United States. The GFS ensemble basically says the same thing. The mean curves this thing and basically takes it to the northern Atlantic, staying well off of the East Coast. And the models, the other members, except for a few outliers, basically say the same thing here. So this should be a system where the United States should not have to worry about. So let's go to the model output here. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Trough and low pressure from the remnants of Irma, and down below that, we should have some clouds here and there by the morning hours, but when we get to the afternoon and evening hours, we should be sunny again with highs in the low 90s. Should be a pleasant day. Should be another pleasant day today. Thursday, we should trend hotter. Highs are actually in the mid to upper 90s. Today we should upper 90s tomorrow. Actually, we should be in abundant sunshine, and same thing on Friday. Go to the weekend. Go the weekend for Marchathon. Mostly sunny. It'll be mostly sunny and hot, mostly with highs in the mid 90s. Again, and lows in the low 70s. Same thing on Sunday and Monday of next week. There could be a chance we could start to see some widely scattered showers and storms, starting on Monday and Tuesday. But other than that, expect mostly sunny and hot conditions with highs in the low 90s, and same thing on Tuesday. Go to a week from today, Wednesday. The 20th day of September, ooh, a cold trough in the a cold trough starting to affect the west, and down below that things are pretty quiet. Again, mostly sunny and hot with highs in the mid 90s. Here's the end of the forecast period on Friday, this 22nd day of September. Um, two areas of trough, one trough in the west and another one in the north, and down below that we should continue to stay quiet with temperatures starting to come down a bit. But here are the temperatures for the next 7 days. Um, we do notice a gradual trend in the temperatures starting to increase by Thursday and Friday, and then we should stay consistent for the rest of this week, for the rest of the week and to next week. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.